Essential Excel for business analysts and consultants. Practical guide. Excel is a powerful yet a bit overwhelming tool that every business analyst and consultant will use extensively. It has more than 300 built-in functions. It has an advanced tool called pivot tables that enable you to go fast through big data set. Also, you have plenty of built-in functions like conditional formatting, visual basics that enable you to automate your work, and analytical tool pack that enables you very advanced analysis to be done using Excel. The problem is that basically it would not suffice one lifetime to master everything there is about Excel. So what we're gonna do is basically use the 80-20 Pareto rule. So show you basically only those things that makes the most sense and show you how to use them in a specific situation so you learn fast what is essential for business analysts and consultants. So we're gonna be showing you roughly 30 built-in functions that are most often used and with them what you can achieve, and essential element of pivot tables, built-in functionalities, visual basics, and analytical tool pack. In short, the course will give you the most useful side of the Excel that you need to be a great and efficient business analyst or consultant. And on top of that, we'll try to do it as fast as possible so you manage to learn everything you need on those positions as fast as possible. The course in short is devoted to people who work a lot with Excel, especially consultants, business analysts, researchers. I assume basic knowledge of Excel, so I will not be explaining how to add things in Excel or how to multiply it. So the basic knowledge is assumed to be there. You will learn the intermediate and advanced tricks in Excel that will help you do your job faster and more efficient with obviously the right choice of functions. We'll also show you how to do specific analysis in Excel using some examples. As a part of this course, you will get ready files in Excel on which you can train. You will also have the Excels with solutions, and on top of that, you will get a list of recommended readings, so articles, books, and some additional exercises as well. The course is organized in the following sections. So first we start with showing you how to match data from different sources. This is one of the things you will have to do as a business analyst or consultant. Then obviously quite often you have to clean and unify data. So I will show you how to do that as well and how to tackle different problems you may come across. Many things you will do in Excel are conditional on something. So you will have natural tendency to use if, but actually this is a very inefficient function. So I'll show you many other options that you can use in a much more flexible and efficient manner. We will also talk about other useful, a little bit more advanced functions and functionalities. Obviously, we'll also talk about pivot tables and how to use them to go from general to specific. And we will also talk about alternatives to pivot tables that you sometimes have to use instead of pivot tables. I will also talk briefly on how to be faster with Excel, how to do also from the productivity point of view analysis fast. And we will also go through a bunch of examples of analysis. At last, we will do one example of analysis using a Visual Basic. We will use the Visual Basic to automate things we would otherwise have to do manually. A little bit about me. So I have 11 years of experience in consulting and in performance improvement of different companies. I have trained more than 100 business analysts, and I've worked in more than 30 industries in 5 countries. That led to generating more than $2 billion US of savings and additional EBITDA to my customers and the companies I worked for.